clean before, don't worry. Here we are in a mess, but I'm always taking pictures. And now we have to decide where we take this. This is now one. And we have those beautiful fruits. Let's see. And yeah. Yeah, so this is the one actually from last summer till now. But this one is way too glimmery. This one is like, okay. So we'll see. And this is from my mom. It's so cute of her. Like, lots of love because this is actually Hab dich ganz doll lieb. I do love you a lot. And okay, we might skip. Ta-da! Huh? How did she know? Oh, that's the one she got as a recommendation. Now she's gotten it for me. Because we also have, by the way, so this is like rules and stickers and Peter Pan, first book of this collection, but Italian as well. Where is this actual book? In Chinese. Have you seen? Here we go. This is the one I read in the hospital, like in October, November. And it's from, yeah, and also like Yoshitangada and other like, yeah, this is my gold teacher, by the way. Big recommendation. It's very well written, like if you're a philosopher and you know it as well. And yeah, that's actually it. Also like, oh, also my book for sketches or simple drawings, but whatever, we're not at yeah, just anything. Also like the Harry Potter scenes, but whatever. There's no starting point. Okay. One day, Manhattan, New York, I'm gonna come and see you. I'm so excited because it's going to happen this year, I think. Yeah. So I packed all my stuff and I'm finally a bit tired. And in not even 2 hours, I'm gonna go wake up. You know how it feels. Oh my.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but
It's good. And afterwards we're like, okay, let's go.
leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some all the stuff that I don't even want to hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody, Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the You're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So heat. I hold my breath till I turn blue. 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 You're as tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're as tall as the ocean, so full of emotion.
Oui. Moi j'ai la carte.
Voilà. Et... That's it. That's me. And I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I can't believe. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is my stuff. This is my mirror. This is an interesting nap. This is my TV and yeah, first floor. So this is the view, but it's okay. And I hope the waves are not too big and it's not raining too much. Oh, that's so sweet too. Like literally sweet and chipsy. And we've got water. I guess I have to pay it though. Look at this. It also was ripped off, and we have another room number here. And it's oh, I'm so stupid. Isn't that cute? Do you see what I see? Yeah.